Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to get Meta AI on Messenger. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Messenger, and what you're looking for is up at the top. If you do not see the search bar here that says Ask Meta AI or search, then you're going to need to first look into updating the app. But you also may need to consider whether or not the Meta AI feature is available in your area yet. The other place that you can find Meta AI is down at the bottom. You can see the icon here, and if you click that, that is going to take us straight to Meta AI, where we can ask whatever we wish, and there are a variety of options here at the bottom. If you need to upgrade your app, then what you're going to need to do is go to the Play Store if you're using Android. And the same concept applies across the board. You want to search for Messenger. And if it needs to be updated, it will say update where it says open. But we're all updated, as you can tell, because we have the Meta AI installed. So that is the explanation for that, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.